welcome back. As we were driving it up that... Welcome back. And welcome back again. As we were driving up the road there, it was not wanting to stop. It was stalling, going, all that. So yeah, that's the reason for today's video. If we want to take a look up there, we can see the problem. See that leak underneath the booster? Because we've already replaced the booster. As you guys know, in Lassie here, you guys haven't met her. She's very nice. But yeah, she has a very big leak in the master cylinder, so it's just all drained out. So I'm pretty sure if we open this up, it's gonna be pretty much empty in one spot. But we got all the tools we need. So in all reality, you only need like 3 or 4 tools. And then, yeah. So let's take a look in here. Dun dun dun. Oh, well, what do you know? Completely empty. No wonder it didn't have no brakes. But yeah, we got a brand new one here. Because apparently you don't just change out the rear seal on it. They just want a new one in there. So, we got a brand new one. Wasn't too expensive. Just gonna completely redo the whole brake system, and then almost all the brake system will be done except for the rear plungers. So without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and tear that thing apart and get some brakes back in this thing. Oh yeah, all right, let's get done. Cool, put it in. Cool, let's go take a look at it. So, as you guys saw, simple, easy thing. Remove the bolts. Did everything on it. Placed that. Got it completely done. Also, we went ahead and just quickly bled the brakes. Just real quick. Didn't really need to show you that. But it's completely changed now. Because if we looked at the brake pedal here, we step on it, right here. Squish, squish, it actually stops. Before, it just goes straight to the ground. Nothing. And that's because there was no fluid in there. So, good job, well done. It wasn't too bad. It wasn't too expensive. And now we have basically a brand new brake system in this thing. So, yeah, I'm glad. As you guys can see, we're still doing some stuff on it. It's taking a little bit more time because, you know, rebuilding a whole rebuilding a whole truck like this is gonna take time and money. So we're working on it and getting there. So if you guys want to check out some merch in our Instagram, I actually have a giveaway happening on my Instagram, so you want to check it out real quick if you want to win. And yeah, please subscribe. Appreciate you guys watching. So see you later, guys. See ya. Whoop.